Okay, there we go again with another attempt with this program. As I said, we are still trying to put together the system for our classes. And what I would like to do today is just to show you what I've come up with. I've been designing this website called Visa Africa for over, I think, 2 or 3 months now, and I'm thankful that I'm almost at the end of the design. And what I would like to show you today is just the basic um, part of the menu, and these are the items that I have on the website. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 items in the menu, and each item has a name. This is the home page, and here is about us and our vision, our mission, the courses, and I'm going to talk a little bit more about the courses and the training room and contact. One thing about the home page is that every time somebody comes on the web page, because you want to make sure that you have students, and the best way to have students uh, in your website is by making sure you have a way to get the email address so you can contact them whenever there is a communication that you want to bring across. Okay, so let's go straight to the second item. This is about us, and as I open the I click on the item, you see there is a delay before uh, the background appears on my website. It's because I have a picture on the back. I could have designed the homepage without that picture, and I can still change it. As a matter of fact, let's see if I can get you to WordPress, and I'm going to talk about WordPress when we move to our courses. And I was talking about the background. There are two possibilities for you to change the background of the home page. You can either use this shortcut and click here, and that will take you directly to this diagram, or to this box where you can make changes to the home page. On the home page, on the left side, you can change, for example, the name of the website from the site title. You can also select a logo. If the website, if you have a logo, there's a possibility to select the logo, but I don't have a logo for this website, and I don't want to use any image. And underneath, you read site icon, and I've decided to use my picture. But what I would like you to see is this part right here, when we talk about changing the background. And by going to this icon here, it helps you to change the background picture. And as I said a while ago, this background picture can be modified. You have two options. You can hide it, and we're just gonna go ahead and do it so you see what happens, or you can add a new image. So let's click on hide, and as you click there, the system begins to operate, and you see that image has disappeared. So this is how your website is going to look like. But if you want to put an image, you can go back and select an image. There are two possibilities for you to put an image. You can use one of your uploaded images, or you can use the images from the media library. So these images are from the media library, and the other set images that you can upload. Now you've noticed that I cannot find the image that I was looking for in the image library, because that particular image was not in the system. That's why I can't find it here in the media library, and then I can't find it in the upload files either, because these are files that I've uploaded. These are images that I'm supposed to have uploaded. So the image that I just removed is not going to be found here. But by scrolling down, you will see that that image is among the suggested images. So as you build the website, there are some items that will be suggested to you, and this is exactly the image that we had over there, and you have another set of images, and it's up to you to choose which image you want to put them. And something very interesting is that you can display these images in a kind of a slideshow. Not really a slideshow, but it's going to be like a random appearance and disappearance of the image on your home page. Let's try and do that. So what I've done, I've clicked on randomize suggested headers. So it simply means that from time to time these images will be changing. So there will be a smooth and very beautiful change of display while the website is on. So currently you can see this beautiful background, and anytime from now it will have changed. So I'm going to give it some moment, and I always have to click on publish to make sure that my selection is taken into account, or my selection has been updated by the system. Okay, and now I'm coming back to the website itself. As you see, the website still has the background, which is here, and I already changed this. I already modified this. Now how can I find out if the change has been applied to my website? I'm going to refresh the page and see what happens. And a few minutes earlier I told you that the background image will be changing from time to time, and when you do not even expect it, you will just see it change. All right, so basically this is what I wanted us to look at, and I'm going to come back, and together we're going to work on other details regarding the website. Okay, just stay tuned.